afternoon, everyone. It's time to get a winner for this DJI Mavic Pro bundle. You get the Mavic Pro, you get an extra battery, and a carrying case. Pretty nice little bundle. We are live. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Got the list here. We have 6 entries. Jeffrey on the top, Jeffrey on the bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 6 times at 1 o'clock. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 5 times, we got Pete on the top. Good luck wish at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this drone. Congratulations goes to Spot 3, Jeffrey. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Send me a PM with your shipping information, and I'll get this drone out to you ASAP. We are done at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Congratulations, Jeffrey. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a great afternoon. Take care.